We are one step closer to next water tests with our trash patrol drone. Another makers meetup just ended and the mechanical team had so much fun assembling acrylic box for collecting the trash. Who could resist to have fun with laser cutting, hand tools, and finally the transparent acrylic trash collecting box was assembled and connected to the drone. Of course, there is a bigger room for improvement about trash collecting box, but now we've reached this milestone and the box is ready for water tests. Situation with electronics is a bit different. We still had some troubles with programming ESC and connecting the controller, but thanks to our remote member Ashton, who is now in Chiang Mai and helped Tanabadi remotely to solve these problems, I hope that next meeting we will have a working Pixhawk with a remote controller, and the goal for the next meeting is assemble our electronic parts in a new case and connect this case to our drone base. After that we will check that the drone is ready for the water test and prepare it. So that's why I see you on the next Makers Meetup in Pirate Bay at 7 p.m.